Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you the basics of how I do photo manipulations. It's a lot easier than you think. There are a lot of different ways and tools you can choose. You just need to understand how it works and keep practicing to make it more perfect. And one more thing, I use Affinity Photo in this tutorial, but you can use other photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop or CorelDRAW if you don't use this software. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you do when you want to do photo manipulation is to add or remove something from the photo. I'm gonna use these photos from Unsplash. I will put the link in the description so you can download and follow along with me in this tutorial. So I'm gonna open the log here, and as you can see the sky looks boring, so I'm gonna change it. If it's something simple like this, the sky only has one color, you can use this selection brush tool, or you can use eraser to erase it. Okay, so I will use selection brush tool. Just click on the sky and it will select the whole sky, and then click delete. And I'm gonna replace the sky with this photo. Okay, so I will also include these different skies so you can practice using this sky photos. Okay, after that I'm gonna put this car into this photo. If it's something more complex like this, it has more than one color. Okay, I usually use this freehand polygonal selection tool, or you can use pen tool as well. So I'm gonna start to make a selection of this car. Okay, after we have done making the selection, copy this car and paste it here. So you want to make sure the angle of this car match with the photo. Okay. Okay, and click apply. Okay, and then moving to the next step. So the next thing you have to do is to adjust the color of this layer to match with each other. Okay, so we have a lot of different adjustments option here, but we're not gonna use it all. Okay, just click off one of these adjustments and it will create a new adjustment layer. So if you want to apply this adjustment layer to all of this layer, just put it on top. Okay, if you want to apply this to a specific layer, so I want to apply this adjustment to this layer. Okay, just drag it into this layer and it won't affect other layer. So I will do some little adjustment. Okay, and lastly I usually use this color balance to balance the color of all of this layer. Okay, and we're done. Okay, so we have added the sky and car, and we also do some adjustments. So the next thing you do is to make this photo looks real, but this car still looks kind of fake to me. So maybe I will make a shadow below this car. I will create a new layer and use brush to make a shadow. Okay, so you just need to make everything looks real. Okay, if this is a glass or sea, you need to make the reflection of the sky, or people who see this will notice that this photo is edited. Okay, so this final step is optional. As you can see, this photo looks real enough, but if you want to make it more dramatic, you can follow this step. So you need to merge all this layer into one new layer by going to layer, merge visible, or you can click Ctrl Alt Shift E and it will create a new layer. Okay, after that go to develop persona. Okay, so we're gonna do some basic adjustment here.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And after you have done, click develop. So this is the before and after. See, it looks better now. Okay, so now you can export this photo and you just did a photo manipulations. So that was the basics of photo manipulations. Okay, I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Rich thing.